Hello viewers, welcome back in our MS Park YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about the disease of diabetes. Thousands of people die of diabetes in the world every year. Even the situation in Pakistan is alarming and 19 million people are living with diabetes in the country. Let me see a special report. Diabetes is one of the biggest health problems in the world. It can cause heart attack, kidney failure, stroke and other complications. According to WHO, 463 million people are living with diabetes all over the world and 1.5 million deaths are directly attributed to the diabetes every year. The situation is also alarming in Pakistan as 20 million people are living with diabetes. Every fourth citizen suffering from diabetes. 5 million people in the country do not have access to diabetes care. Diabetes has been killing thousands of people in the country. If we do not control this disease, we would be having 50% of our population with diabetes till 2030. Diabetes is a chronic disease that occurs when pancreas is no longer able to make insulin. Diabetes is a group of disease that result in too much sugar in the blood. There are 4 types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetic do not produce any insulin. They must inject insulin via syringe, pen or pump. Type 2 diabetes is most often diagnosed after the age of 45 years. Pre-diabetes. Pre-diabetes is a condition where blood glucose level are high but not high enough to be diagnosed as type 2. Gestational diabetes is a form of diabetes that develops during pregnancy. This form of diabetes can affect both the pregnancy and the health of the baby. Sometimes people living with diabetes face life risk as burns can take longer to heal, which can increase the risk of infection and other complications. If the infection cannot be stopped or the damage is irreparable, amputation or cut off body may be necessary. Around 2,100 people in Pakistan lose their feet annually due to diabetes foot ulcers. People who underwent amputation due to diabetes in the country die within 5 years. After that, diabetologists say that 40 to 7% of all lower limb amputation in the world are related to diabetes. Medical experts suggest that the best way to prevent severe diabetes complications is to manage your blood sugar. There are several ways you can do this, including eating a healthy diet, avoiding sugar sweetened juice and soda, reducing stress, exercising for at least 30 minutes daily, maintaining a healthy weight and blood pressure, checking your blood sugar level regularly.